This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing the dart so you can work safely. Remove flights and shaft and set them aside. Grip the barrel close to the tip to stabilize the dart, and if the tip is stuck, use a small pair of pliers for steady force. Once the old tip is exposed, either unscrew it following its thread direction or pull straight out for press-fit tips. Make a quick inspection to note whether the tip is threaded or press-fit so you choose the correct replacement. Now pick the correct replacement. Match thread pitch for threaded tips or pick the right diameter for press-fit types. Once you have the new tip, start threading it by hand to ensure it lines up and to avoid cross-threading. Tighten gently with pliers only if needed. For press-fit tips, align the tip perfectly straight with the barrel and press evenly until seated. Do not rock the tip. If you feel resistance, back off and realign so the fit is secure and centered. Finish by testing the dart. Roll it on a flat surface to confirm the tip is straight and inspect for wobble. Make final adjustments by tightening firmly, but avoid over-tightening, which can strip threads or deform press-fit seats. Replace the tip if the connection feels compromised. If the tip won't seat, clean the barrel with a reamer to remove debris or switch to the other tip type if your barrel allows. If the dart still misbehaves, replace the barrel or consult a repair kit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.